I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Coinbase app for beginners. First, download the Coinbase app from your app store. Next, you'll create an account using your email and a strong password. Be sure to complete the identity verification process, which usually involves providing a photo ID. Finally, link a payment method like a bank account or debit card to easily add funds. This setup ensures secure and smooth transactions as you begin your crypto journey. Once your account is set up, buying cryptocurrency is straightforward. Tap the Buy button, choose the crypto you want, and enter the amount. You'll see a preview of your order, including any fees, before confirming. Selling follows a similar process. Select Sell, choose your asset, and specify the amount. Funds from sales can be withdrawn to your linked bank account. Always review all details carefully before completing any transaction. The Coinbase app provides a clear overview of your cryptocurrency portfolio. You can easily see the total value of your assets and how individual coins are performing. The app also offers charts and market data to help you track price movements and identify trends. Consider setting up recurring buys to invest a fixed amount regularly, which is a great strategy for long-term growth. This helps you build your portfolio consistently over time. Security is paramount when dealing with cryptocurrency. Always enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection on your account. Coinbase also offers advanced features for more experienced users, such as Coinbase Pro, which provides more detailed trading tools and lower fees. For those looking to expand their crypto knowledge, there are educational resources within the app. And speaking of staying refreshed, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. It's important to stay hydrated while you're managing your investments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.